My name is Santiago. I live in Argentina, and I am the manager of a company called DAMS. We are a consulting engineering firm. Our main industry that we provide services is the mining industry. So we have been using a lot of the different services that SPH gives. We use a lot the UGCS platform for surveying, where we are using the DroneGIS platform to mainly to communicate with our clients. I will share my screen briefly. So as the people before me showed, we work kind of the same way. We use the platform not only we use the white labeling system, and we use the platform not only to upload all the projects that we are doing, but also to communicate with our clients. Since we work for the mining industry, most of our clients are in different sides of the world, and they need to be keep updated about what's going on in the field. So we call them that we call the platform like eyes on site, because it gives us the possibility to show our clients how the project is going. We use a lot this before and after tool of the platform. Most of our client has different locations where we have them organized over here in the same platform, and we can keep track about all the changes that are being done. We can, as Alexei showed, upload DWG or DXF files. And we kind of also use it to report any changes that might have been in the field or that are interesting to take note. And we have also in some certain types of clients, we have create a specific organization when we can share this link to our clients, and they can enter without seeing the data of other clients. That is a very useful tool for us. We are also uploading images with coordinates. So in this case, for example, we can upload an image of the field that let us understand not only the view from above, but also having these images geotagged. We can, for example, click on in any image in any time, and we can check that image it's okay with that site and other details. So this is a very useful tool for us, because we can not only when our team are visiting the site or taking photos or while the work is being done, they can take photos with their cell phones. We can keep track about what's going on with a different set of images. So our main contribute. Our main usage of DroneGIS is to communicate. It's very useful for us. It has really stand out our company above others because this possibility gives a lot of transparency of our work and for the operations, and allows the client to keep track about all the changes that are being done in the site. We have been uploading a lot of different set of files, so it has been uh, growing with that possibilities. We are now uploading 3D models and other things that have been very useful for us. Like the people before me show the temperature of the solar panels and things like that. The company is always hearing our possibilities to upgrade or to be better with this platform. So that's kind of how we are using it in the mining industry in Argentina. Um, we are hoping to continue using it in the future, and we are looking forward to the upgrades that might come with the time.